guys, it's me, Dracton here. Now I'm here playing Fingerboard HD. Just a random game from the Play Store. So let's go practice. So yeah, guys, if you guys haven't seen the last video, it was Basketball Showdown, Philippines versus France. Heck? How come I can't get Oh, okay. Look, another game. You guys want me to download Ride BMX? I'll get it. Welcome to the tutorial. Okay. Next, press 1 for the down. Pressing down, select your finger bar down. Oh my gosh, it's kind of hard.
Shall we get this started?
Yes, let's start. I'm starting this up right now.
The heck?
What is that? Reaction TNT, I'll toss them down too.
Alright, let's do it.
Good luck to this world. Here we go.
Oh yeah, nice rules to start the day.
What the heck? I know I play real fingerboards, but like that,
Oh, he knows. He is. Don't worry. TNT times 20.
no. Finally, that's not a trick. Wow.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Good luck. Johnny. Remember, he was filled with TNT anyways? Oh, man, that was brutal. Wait, this was our house, right? Alright, we need something special for this.
Alright, what do you think?
So I've got some fire TNT.
Chemical TNT.
Alright, should we combo it?
The heck are they?
Alright, good luck. Chemical and fire. This is really gonna do a lot of damage, I can tell. Oh, God, look at that.
Oh my god, it's Freddy.
The chemicals are killing Freddy down there. I see it happening. How's it kind of going on?
Yeah, a little bit.
You do realize that this is the tunnel we went through to get here?
Really?
Yeah, this is the
Oh
tunnel.
my god.
Don't you see the torches and stuff?
Oh yeah.
It's like completely annihilated down here.
Wow.
Alright, this one. Shall we do it? Say goodbye to the tunnel.
Eh.
Watch you do nothing. Oh, I remember this one. It turns into the nether. You know what would be epic if the texture pack turned that
Ooh,
into
that's
like
nice.
galaxy or something? Like flying through the sky, that'd be amazing. Alright, so I'm thinking we haven't used TNT times 100, and this was kind of like the starting area. I think that TNT times 100 would do a lot. Alright, you know what, that after this one, okay? We'll see what's left after this one. This is like really deadly. We have times 500, we'll probably use that at the
How
end.
come you guys like?
You gotta sound creepy because we're playing Five Nights at Freddy's. It's gone. It's all gone. Alright. So that is pretty bad. Where are you? Oh yeah, we have to get rid of every single block of this. Alright, I'm gonna put one down with it. Oh, I love this one. It actually hit the upper area. Oh yeah.
Ooh, that was nice.
Really might do this right. Alright.
Ooh.
If you're gonna do a rough in TNT, you have to do it right.
So let's keep on practice.
Here we go.
Ooh, that's nice.
And try that one next. There we go. That's
Eh.
what we needed.
So hard. It's only 2 fingers.
Alright, so you notice in the air there's this like huge long area. We should get rid of that. Let's head up here. I'm actually gonna get rid of some of the TNTs I've used because I have so many that I want to use in the video. I don't want to reuse these over like a million times.
How do we grind on that? It's hard.
Alright, it's coming. Oh god, I'm nervous about this now. I know there's one that shoots you back like 100 bucks. It sucked you in. It's a good blow up. Yeah, it is. Alright, it doesn't do much, actually. Alright, using chemical or cubic, we've not done that one. I think so. I did like nothing. Oh, come on, I don't want. Oh god. Help! Oh my god, I fell out of the world. She like shot me out. Back to you.
Ooh, yay.
Oh, the meteor's coming down. What have you done, Jen? What have you done? This is just insane. You see the ground in the flat world?
You think that would be good enough?
It wasn't good enough because it kind of just spread everywhere. It like broke the whole world. But
Alright,
it
how
didn't
do we
destroy
get it?
Alright.
What do we need?
Alright, so I have some dynamite here. I think if I just like launch a bunch of it, you know.
Alright, do it.
Alright, this
I'm
is.
gonna stand back.
Dang, this is so hard.
Getting rid of every block I can. There's stuff still coming down from the sky now. We need to do this more often.
Okay, let's X it out.
This world just looks epic right now.
To turn,
Alright, what I have
let's
now
turn
is
there.
9 times 100.
Position fingers back here. Break, just break and turn. Wait. Oh, okay. Ollie. Ride. Release front finger. Release back finger.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Ride. That's right.
I'm sorry, I can't help it.
Release back finger.
I really didn't like the cubic one too
Okay, let's try the Ollie. So release front finger and then release back.
I mean, I have so many different ones that I want to mess around with. It's going to be absolute insanity.
Alright, I can move again.
Done.
Good.
I want to do lightning.
Try it
This
again.
goes over here, so is the airship.
Oh, let's go to the disco.
Alright, we're going to the disco then?
That's the disco.
Alright, I will let you take this one out.
Alright.
Subscribe, guys. Yeah. Subscribe to channels.
TNT.
And
Oh, yeah.
channel them.
Yeah, it should be.
Okay.
Alright, we'll see what happens. It might just be
Oh,
lightning down from the sky, right?
Oh my god, there's so much.
Lightning has
Oh, that's the what?
Alright, you see this
Still made it?
tree? This one's mine to conquer.
Gross.
I'm not sure. Hold on, wait for me, because I don't want you to light at the same time.
Okay.
I'm doing spiral.
Alright.
It shoots it out in every direction. Like, literally.
Oh my god, you're right.
Ooh,
It's going
I didn't even touch that. Did it by itself.
TNT
The rest of it.
raining from the
the
skies.
sky.
Alright, so, it's your turn?
Yeah, once I can move again.
Alright, I'm gonna throw something else then.
Wait, the disco. It's destroyed.
No, it's not. It's fine.
Alright. Let's do room.
Okay,
But you're right.
let's see. Directions I did.
So many. I think this one
The
actually
what?
might...
Harder that way.
This one actually might...
I did the
blocks.
Ollie. Now I'll try
I don't know
doing the
if it
flip.
destroys- Yeah, it turns it into a grove.
Right, release.
See?
Swipe front finger.
Happened to
And
me.
then
Oh, I'm fine.
release back
I'm gonna
finger.
put down this one. I've got some... I'm gonna actually put
Okay,
down
let's
foundation.
go.
Now I have more to destroy.
Oh, yay for that. Alright, I got meteor shower. I've
What?
got chemical. Alright,
Plus TNT times 20.
alright, put in some TNT times.
Oh, there, flip.
Again.
So we're making a TNT salad.
Yeah.
Alright, so here we go.
Alright, watch.
Alright, come
Oh,
on.
there, it's flip.
Watch the destruction happen.
Here, here.
Yo.
Oh, done.
Yep, this is doing it, Jack.
This is a nice game.
This time the disco is not smiling anymore.
Goodbye forever, disco.
Wait, we
Ooh.
have to go up here because this structure is so big.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, it's not even open.
Oh, grind. Okay, let's be done with that. And then directions.
Something's landed up here, actually.
Where's it? Where's
What
ours?
I do is I turned off the rain.
I did Ollie, I did flip, now I did release.
Let's do that.
No, it's fine.
Shove it.
Carried away.
Ride,
I turned it today.
release,
Originally, we couldn't do that because
front
it was a
fingers,
sensor that keeps
and then
turning
swipe
to
back.
me. Apparently, we destroyed that with one of the TNTs.
Now we can get a really nice look.
I know this is the first time. You know how hard it was to get thumbnails for this map? It was completely dark the entire time.
Beautiful. It looks during the day.
I know, it looks so cool. It's not scary
Go.
anymore. Alright, Jen,
That's
I
a
have some
flip.
pretty intense stuff with me.
Oh, we have to go to the North Pole too.
Yeah, we can.
Ooh, that was good.
Alright, so I'm gonna try. Let's see here. I have vaporized dynamite.
Dynamite times 20.
I really thought that was gonna do something. Wait, flat dynamite. It flattens out the area. It's really weird. These ones are pathetic. We need more. So this is the scary stuff. It's called the
What?
revolution.
The revolution? That sounds very intense. Wait, where are you? I'm trying to go.
I'm right over here.
Ooh!
Just the kid is shooting TNT everywhere.
I didn't get this one, did I?
Yeah, there were some I was afraid that if I gave it to you, it would just crash everything. But I'm gonna put down a few revolutions. Then we'll go to that like high
There.
house area.
Let's go right here. What are you talking about?
The high house area?
Yeah, where I'm going.
I'll be there one second.
I'm gonna get started.
What the heck?
Don't get started without me. Here we go. They should pretty much do everything. Smithereens over here. Alright, I'm here, Jen.
Alright, hold on. I want to use dynamite times.
It is like responding right like
I'm ready.
there. Did that.
You like 20.
Oh, I'm not trying to do a shove it. That's like hard.
I can't move. So intense.
I didn't. I don't want.
The revolution is still going on.
Oh, that's weird. Okay.
Are you through it?
I threw it.
Alright, it's gone.
Did it do something? It's gone.
Main menu.
Alright, so this one is called
Compete.
That was like one of the big
Do like
disasters.
achieve boards.
I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, jeez.
Oh.
Get 1,000 XP to unlock.
Well, I finished it off.
Okay, just for this.
Like a volcano erupt. Jen,
What?
do you see what we actually did to the next area? The North Pole is already
Brad BMX. Guys, if you want me to do that, just tell me in the comment section to below. Download.
It's like really
Oh my gosh.
I don't know, but I'm gonna put down jumping bomb pop pins over here.
What is it?
Now I'm in mine.
3 pop pins are coming to the North Pole. It didn't seem that much when I used it.
Alright.
This will kill everything, though.
Ooh. Oh, so we got
Rain of
points.
fire from the sky.
Crazy.
Oh my god, there's lava from it now.
Ooh, yeah, 2,000. Looks
Sorry, I
like
got rid of it all in one go.
2,100.
Yeah, I feel pretty proud of myself when I do this. Where are you?
Alright, goodbye, North Pole.
Here.
That is a kid, though.
We gotta go to the city.
Alright, I have some really
Ooh, yeah.
stuff here for you.
What was that dynamite?
Get more in.
Yeah, it's boring. Well, let me throw this erupting dynamite at this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the wing.
No.
Just off that little tower. There we go. Okay, so Jen, you might want
Oh, I
to
pushed it down.
some crazy stuff.
Okay.
This is called global disaster. So you can probably guess.
Here. Oh, what the heck?
But,
Alright, you're about to crash.
oh god, are you serious?
I don't know.
I don't want to crash.
I'm nervous.
Me too. There's so much lava.
Yeah, no. It's all gone.
God.
Everything.
It's completely gone.
There's actually nothing here, guys. There's nothing here. Is this like
World rank.
I think that might be.
Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to make another video of this. Goodbye.